Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos using an Old El Paso kit. First, brown 1 pound of ground beef or turkey in a skillet over medium heat. Once cooked, drain any excess fat to ensure your tacos aren't greasy. Then, stir in the Old El Paso taco seasoning mix along with the recommended amount of water. Let it simmer for a few minutes until the liquid is absorbed and the meat is flavorful. Next, prepare your taco shells. Whether you prefer hard or soft shells, warm them according to the package directions. This makes them more pliable and enjoyable. While the shells warm, gather your favorite toppings. Shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and grated cheese are classic choices. Don't forget salsa, sour cream, or even some fresh guacamole to complete your taco bar.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more great content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now for the fun part, assembling your tacos. Hold a warm taco shell firmly in one hand, ready for filling. Spoon a generous amount of the seasoned meat mixture into the bottom of the shell. Then, layer your chosen toppings over the meat. Start with cheese, then lettuce, and finish with salsa or sour cream. Build your taco just the way you like it for maximum enjoyment. Once assembled, serve your delicious tacos immediately. This ensures the shells are still warm and the toppings are fresh. You can also set out extra toppings on the side, allowing everyone to customize their tacos further. Enjoy this quick and easy meal with your family or friends. It's a simple way to bring a fun taco night to your home any day of the week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.